for Roundhill TV is back on air. Hey! Hello guys, how?
Very nice to see you again.
Very nice to see you. Welcome back. Welcome back, Easton.
So where are we, guys?
We're in Marine.
Ah.
We're about 45 kilometres, or 35 miles outside Paris.
Ah, la dernière alerte, après Paris? Ah bon. Oui.
Thank you.
We are 40 miles away.
Yeah.
40 miles.
40, 35 to 40
Let's
miles.
call it a psychological force.
And
Yeah.
This is the last stop for all the riders. And
And
boy, two lanes to see us. Want me to do that?
Just put.
I'll let you go. Hello. Bye-bye now. Hi, Andy.
So, how are you? Oh, actually, some video evidence because I need some video evidence for my sponsors. To say that here it is, the machine. It's still here. We're both here. Well, there they are, the machines, the fine, stunning machines, and the men who ride them.
Yeah.
Oh, and women. We've seen a lot of them yesterday on Brompton, Malton.
One Brompton.
Oh, was there one?
Yeah, one Brompton. The rest of Malton. Sorry, Mason, you need not know this.
Sorry.
Thanks, guys. Well, next broadcast will be just outside Paris.
Yes,
well done,
well
guys.
done. Fantastic. Oh, no.
Cut. Can we do that again?
Take two.
Hold on.
Take 74.
Excuse me.